It's hot. Candaba po kabalin, kamusta kayo po? My name is Louie. Welcome to Pampanga. Today, we traveled all the way from San Fernando, Pampanga to Candaba, Pampanga. So it's around an hour away from our place. Hi, Isa.
Hello.
Yeah, it's a very lovely place. All you can see are palayan, itikan, and there is this place dito sa Barangay Paligi, Candaba, Pampanga, wherein every weekend marami yung mga nagtitinda ng pagkain dito. But right now, we went here on a Wednesday, on a weekday. And yeah, tingnan natin kung ano yung mga pagkain nila dito. Tara! So bago pala tayo mag-proceed, we would like to thank the sponsor of this video, Wash Autority. They are a premium nano ceramic coating service para sa mga sasakyan. Been loving their service, no? Almost 2 years ago, nagpa-ceramic coat ako sa kanila and I am enjoying the benefits. It's so easy to clean. Meron siyang additional protection layer against heat, against scratches. Grabe! If you want to know more about their service, we're gonna be flashing their Facebook fan page right now. Make sure to contact them and yeah, get to enjoy a premium nano ceramic coating benefit para mga sasakyan natin. Ano pinili mo?
Dito.
Ay, ay, ay.
Dito.
Nano yung tanggapin?
Fried duck po.
Fried duck. Dito, sir.
Kaldereta pong laman loob.
Kaldereta naman loob. Binibenta nyo rin?
Apo, 60 po per order.
60 per order. Kaldereta yan, sir. Opo. And guys, so nakabili tayo ng fried itik at saka yung kalderetang laman loob ng manok or ng itik, no? So nandito pala tayo sa barangay San Agustin, Candaba, Pampanga. Usually yung barangay Paligi, doon yung marami talagang tindahan. So since nagkaroon tayo ng mga rearrangement dahil sa LGU protocol, social distancing, eventually pag naayos nila yon, babalik yung mga nagtitinda natin doon. And yeah, siguro balikan din natin sila kapag naging maayos na yung lahat. And guys, so luckily, at least may mga konting nagtitinda pa rin dito. So meron tayong mga live fish selling, meron din mga suso. Naks na, ang sarap na mga to. So later on, kain din tayong takoyaki.
Ano ni Mary?
Right after dun sa mga takoyaki natin, titingman naman natin yung kanilang fried itik. So actually, this is a takeout sa bahay. Pero I can't wait to taste it. And this is not the normal setting, no? This is not the normal dining setting. Oh, look at that. Check that out, guys. This is a... No, it's not a fish. Suka. Suka. Oh. Medyo matamis yung suka nila. Okay. Wow! And they're juicy. Oh, it's hot. It's hot. It's hot. It's hot. Ah! Woo! Woo! Straight from the stove. This is hot. Eating fried itik in Candaba. Grabe. One more. One last. Cheer me. Malambo yun? Ayan guys. So this is the last part. Chicken butt. Chicken butt. Last butt. Wow. So there you have it, guys. Make sure when you travel dito po sa Pampanga, maintain social distancing with the other people. Wear your protective gears, face mask, face shields. Always use your alcohol. Yeah, try to add on your options. No? Nandito tayo ngayon sa Candaba, Pampanga. What a beautiful place. What a wonderful scenery. And hopefully maayos na nila yung permit ng mga nagtitinda dito para dumami na naman ulit yung mga kainan dito sa Candaba, Pampanga. And once again, thanks so much Wash Authority for sponsoring our whip stories dito sa Pampanga. Wash Authority po is a Premium Nano Ceramic Coating service. If you're looking for a protection for your car, make sure to check out their services. And they are sponsoring our whip stories. We travel all over Pampanga just to showcase you guys kung ano yung mga pwede nating puntahan dito. And again, stay safe. Thanks so much for watching. We're in Pampanga. Until our next discovery. Peace out, guys. Bye.